G'day YouTubers. I took a couple of days annual leave and I got out for another midweek fish. I thought I'd go up and have a look around some of the wrecks in the northern bay. Depending on the weather, I thought I might have overnighted around Shark Spit, maybe got some mackerel in the morning. But as the day wore on, the weather forecast wasn't looking too good for overnight and in the morning, so I started to work my way back towards the central bay. I hit a couple of spots on the shipping channel on the way back, and ended up fishing on the Rous knob for a little while before it started to get dark, and then I was a bit concerned about the weather, so I headed into Fisherman's Gutter for the night rather than just risk staying out in the Rous. I was sort of half a mind to go down to the Lazarette, but as it turned out, Fisherman's Gutter was a good choice. Anyway, let's roll the video. It was a really exciting trip. I had a ball, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. Nice early start to the day. It's just after first light. You can see the glow of dawn in the horizon there. Out for an overnighter and see what the next 2 days bring. Crab pops in and here comes the sun. Oh, I've got something. Working the drag here. Oh, shit. Shit. Okay, well, bloody thing bit me off. Okay, I'm on again. See if we can land the bugger this time. What the hell this is? Woohoo! Okay, you're not liking that. No real head shake on it, so. Got a bit of energy in him, whatever he is. Okay, pick up some line on him now. Whew, this is going to be a bite. Oh, shit. This better be something I can eat. Couldn't miss all this trouble. Come on, you have to knock up soon. It's off again. Oh, shit. Oh, if I
caught this on heavier line, the fight would be over now. I think he's wearing out quicker than I am, though. Oh shit, he's going over the other side of the boat, though. I haven't had the green braid on the reel for a while. He must be getting a bit closer. Getting ground on him now. About bloody time. Oh, what is he? I see him. I see colour. Big shark or something, perhaps. Yeah, big shark of some sort, I think. Big, what the hell is he? Shovel nose? Can't tell. Yeah, big shovel nose. Holy shit, he's a big one. Woo! Jeez, now that's a big boy. That is a really big boy. I'll see if I can get him up a bit closer, take a couple of line, but they've got to be 5 or 6 feet. He's certainly a personal best for a shovel nose anyway. Jesus, he's still got some go in him. Oh shit, there we go. I got him. Whew. Well, that was certainly a PB on shovel nose sharks for me. Oh, oh, would have been nicer if there had been something better. Oh, never mind, I got to re-rig now. I got something on this one. Oh, shit! Bit me off or break me off. Fucking bit me off. Shit. Not having a real good run today, if you can see that. That's the third time I've been bitten off. Give up here, try one more spot, and then I might have a troll or something. Since I haven't managed to get a fish in the boat yet, I've been bitten off on every one that every decent one that I've had on the line. I'll take some shots of the scenery. Beautiful day out here. That's Morton over there. I was nearly going to stay at Morton, but I think it's going to turn. I think the weather will turn overnight, so I'm going to head further south, get some shelter. Okay, I think I'm on. Not big. Certainly not big, just jagged him. You look like bait to me. I got another one. He's a little bit bigger than the last one, but I don't think he's going to be a keeper. Sure he's not going to be a keeper, actually. Oh. Oh. Sweet lip. Still not a keeper, I don't think, but I'll measure him just the same. See what he went. Ooh. Hold still. Pin both lips. Right, what are you going to go? You're going to go 29. Oh dear. Lucky sweet lip. Oh, big turtle. I better not get on my line. I won't be real happy. I think he must have got it all now. Yep. All gone. Alright, I'll go into the Rous. I'm going to have a look at that for the night. The alternative is the lazarette. Lazarette will be better in the morning, but I think the Rous is going to be better tonight. There, you got one. Near the Rous knob now. Whoa, what is it? Whoa, whoa, she's a nice one too. Whoa. Whoa. Whew. Oh, shit. Okay. There's my hickory. That's got him subdued. Took a hook to the finger though. Right, whew, get organised, see if we can get another one of them. Right, give him a measure and get him on ice. Not a bad size. Oh, 75. 75. That's not bad. Happy with that. Get this this one out.
I always have my esky half full or more with ice, and then I put enough salt water in it to cover the fish that are in it. Make sure your fish are fully submerged under the water by moving some of the ice up on top of them to hold them under. That way they'll be really nice and cold. If you're going to go past a boat that's anchored up, either stay 100 metres away and I'll accept the rock I get, or slow down for Pete's sake. Yeah, you got a little one. I think it's a little one. Yeah, little one. Jag by the looks of him. Coming in all skew with. Yep. Send him back for someone else to catch another day. What do you, get this hook out of the way. What do you measure? 20, 29. To see about anchoring up for the night too soon. Wind's freshening. The Rous isn't a bad anchorage. I might try and stick it out here. Got something there. What is he? Oh, what is he? Oh. Okay. Maybe too small. $30. Oh, well. You go back for another day. Got some tea on. It's a nice calm night so far. I'm not getting a lot of heat out of that, but she'll do. Certainly not enough light for the GoPro at the moment. I'm out at the Rous knob, been here for 3/4 of an hour, it's 5:15 now. Just catching baitfish at the moment. He's just a little barracuda and he's going to be bait. I was just bitten off again. I know you can't see this, it's too dark, but that's a bit of my shock leader. Something took the leader, the swivel and the little blow bead I have to protect the end of the rod. I had a fish on there and I actually felt the bite off as I was winding him in. It was like something huge just came along, took the fish and just bit through the line. So I felt the bite off. It wasn't a big bite, it was just a little tug and then all of a sudden there was nothing there. So there you go. I think that might have been a shark. And there we go, sun's starting to come up. I never get tired of sunrise on the water. It's too dark for you to see it, I think, again, but there you go, bitten off again. Not having a good weekend for getting bitten off. That's about 6 or 7 I've been bitten off this weekend. Not happy. Actually, it's not a weekend, it's a weekday. I'm taking some annual leave to go out. Never mind, I've still been bitten off all those times and I'm still not happy. Okay, there it is, another break off for the bloody good fish. Or not break off, bite off. Hells bells! Alright, bitten off again. I think that makes about 8 times now. It's got to be mackerel central down there, surely. I'm going to stick some trolls out and have a troll, see if I can pick anything up that way. Bitten off again, just the merest bite, straight bite off. That's it, I'm going to try trolling for some mackerel and hope that's what's biting me off. On again, not a big one I don't think.
Might be the same one. Alright, it's a bream. Yeah, it's a bream. Oh, see how big you are. Right, you're big enough to keep, actually. You only got to be 20. You only got to be 25, and you're 26 and a half. Yeah. Are you? 26 anyway. I might keep you. Don't like it like that. I think I'm on to another really small one. Oh, you're fatty though. Small but a fatty. I'll give you a measure before you go back. What are you going to go? 28. There you go, you're away. Not quite as smooth as it was yesterday. Making a play run home, just trolling. Don't know if I'll do any good, but it's early yet. I'm not in a hurry to get off the water, so I thought I'd just have a bit of a troll back, see what happens. Never know your luck. Woohoo! Yeah, taking a bit of water. I got both of them up. I don't know if I got anything on them. Oh, this one might. Yep, this one has. Small. Be a grinner, right? Yep, grinner. Get you in there. Get this other one in. Nothing on him. Well, if there was, he's got an awful as busy with the other one. Got one pop. Went down again. Oh no, he's still up. He's gone down now, the winding. I'll have to get him in and see what's on him. Nothing but look, oh no, something's there. Something's definitely there. Oh, don't you go into that motor. Oh, there we go, his keeper. Oh, where'd he go? Come on, out of there. Now, give me a quick measure. I think he's going to be right. Oh yeah, he's right. 60. So I think there might be something on that other one too. Oh. Just let that go. I need to get this other one out. Check him. Yep, got another one. Oh, come on. Get that down again. Quick as. A little bit smaller, but I think you might be. I think you're going to be alright anyway. Oh yes, 56. Oh, I don't know where the camera was pointing, got knocked in the excitement.
Well, that's it for the fishing part of the trip. It's been a long time since it's taken me that much effort to get a fish alongside the boat, and that's a memory I'm going to treasure. It doesn't matter what sort of fish it is you land, it's a fight that counts, and I loved every minute of that one. I caught quite a few undersized snapper that didn't make it into the video, and also caught a few more of the stripy fish. They make pretty good bait if you take a fillet off them and cut it up into strips. You might have also noticed that the two marks I gave for the Rous knob are different. When I got there in the evening, I searched around and found where the fish are and marked that one. I went over to Fisherman's Gutter for the night, came back in the morning, searched around again, and the fish had moved. Fish do that. They swim around, they'll be in a different spot next day. It's up to you to search around any mark and find where the fish are on your sounder. And some days they're just not there at all. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I know I really enjoyed being out there. If you'd like to see more of my videos, you can go to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click that subscribe button because I will be starting some more series on fishing and boating around the bay and offshore very shortly. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Until next time, good fishing.